welcome to school too.
I don't have 2,000 naira. Are you not hearing me?
Search your pocket.
Oh, I should search my pocket.
Yes.
No, come and
Because
search
I
me.
know it.
Come and search me.
I don't see my wife, yo. I don't see my wife, yo. I don't see my wife, yo. 1 + 1 now 1.
I thought the way that guy was talking to you. Why would that guy be talking
Because
to you?
of common 2,000 naira. That is why you shouted on me and walked out. Just 2,000 naira. Can you imagine?
Nne. You are supposed to be following people like us. Look at me now, big boy like me, with my designers. Eh?
Not his fault. It's not his fault.
Shebi, you asked him for 2,000.
Just 2,000 naira.
This is 5,000. Eh? Use it and do the thing the 2,000 want to do.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Wait, did you borrow me?
Emmanuel, you telling me the
That's it.
truth.
It's just that, but
Thank
you will give me your number so that I can
The
call.
way I dey feel, I feel carry you go Yankee. I go show the queen, say now you be my wifey. The way you dey smile.
But
Okay.
then you can come to number 10. That is where I stay.
Us is
Number
switched
10.
off.
Yes, it's off.
Okay.
So when
Number
you come,
10.
Yes, number 10. When you
Eh.
just come, we'll talk better.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
So what do you know?
They still they say nothing like true love. I know send you, I know send you, I know send you. I don't see my wife, I don't see my wife.
Apostle, we have this.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine.
Yeah, this is number 10, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Please, is your sister at home?
My sister.
Yes.
She's at home.
Okay, yes. Please tell your sister that I want to see her.
You want to see my sister?
Yes,
You want to see my sister? Nothing goes for nothing now. So you expect me to just go, just like that. You know then Naija.
Now, wow. Call your sister for me now. I should bring something.
Then I'm gonna call
Hey, this country don't spoil you. Everybody now they collect bribe, even to help me call person.
Time is going.
Okay.
Hey! I hear me to me, Barry.
1 + 1 now 1. I don't see my wife. I don't see my wife. I don't see my wife.
What? Funke! Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
No, it's not this your sister I'm talking about.
Okay, the other one.
The other sister now.
Funke!
She's busy, you know.
Have to know.
Funke!
It's not this your sister I want to see now.
Which one? Okay, wait. Just wait, I'm coming.
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rèé nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ
This is
yìí.
number 10
I don't see
now.
my wife. I don't see my.
You will end up in McDonald's.
See you.
Have to know. Are these the only sisters you have?
Yes. My mother gave birth to only 3 of us. We don't have.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Since the person I'm looking for is not around, please,
What? Funke!
can I have my 2,000 back?
What?
No, I've not said good as
What? Jesus! Oh my days.
Naja we dey.